Welcome. In this video I'm going to be replacing this parking light in a 2014 RAV4. This should be the same as the 2012 to 2018 RAV4, I think it is. And then next to it's the reverse light. You can get to that in the same way. So let's get started. So I need to remove a little access panel. I'll be using this kit. It's a Duelco trim kit, and I'll put a link in the description of this and also put a link to the bulb I'm using. And if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So this kit was provided to me by the distributor of this kit, but they have no association with this video. That was a previous video I did. So you can see the access panel here. There's two little notches. You can stick a screwdriver in there. I'll stick in this pry tool and pop it out. There we go. So you can see that hinges off the back side here. So you wouldn't want to pry on this side, you could break it. So if you need to do the reverse light, that's right here, and you just twist that to take it out. We want to do this light back here. So same thing, I'm going to twist it counterclockwise. Just, I don't know, it's not even a quarter turn, maybe an eighth of a turn. And then that should just pull out. Like so. So this is the old bulb, and you don't want to touch the new bulb with your bare fingers, but I'm going to touch the bulb here. I'll use a paper towel. You could also use a rubber glove. And that should pull right out. So I have the new bulb here, the 194. I'll press that in. So before you put it back together, I would start it and make sure the light works, because you never know, you could have gotten a dud. Okay, that's working. So putting it back in is the opposite of taking it out. You have these two notches here. If I can get that to focus. You have these two notches. You need to line these up with the notches in the socket. So I'll stick it in at an angle, and then I'll give it an eighth of a twist. It's kind of tight here. I have pretty decent sized hands, so if you have smaller hands, it'll be a little easier. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I mostly held on to the wiring loom there to maneuver it in, and once I got it lined up, and then I just gave it that eighth of a twist, and it's locked in place. Make sure you do have it pressed in real good, because you don't want it coming loose. Panel's easy to replace. Stick the hinge side in, like so. Press it in until it's flush. There you go. So you can use that to replace the parking light and the reverse lights right next to it. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.